Hey, my name is Nikki. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily paint an avocado with watercolors. I'm using 140 pound watercolor paper, my Craftimo round brush in size 8, and 2 glasses of clean water. The colors that I'm using for this project are cadmium yellow, sap green light, sap green deep, olive green, Indian red, and raw umber deep. First of all, I wake them up with a few water drops to make them ready to paint. I also have a paper towel to hand to drip off my brush, and then I'm ready to go. Now I take my mechanical pencil and draw a few circles as guidelines. I want to paint both half pieces of the avocado. So I draw 2 smaller circles on top and 2 bigger ones below. It's okay if they overlap a little. Then I draw the shape of the avocado by following these guidelines. Into the center of the lower circles, I draw in another circle for the seed, or where the seed was. Then I take my kneadable eraser and erase the pencil lines so that they are only faintly visible. Okay, perfect! I give my brush a quick rinse. Then I start with sap green light and mix it with some cadmium yellow. I water it down a bit, and then I start painting the first half shape. I dip my brush into the water to rinse out some of the paint to make some parts look a little lighter. For the first part, I omit the seed. If I'm done, I go back in with a more opaque version of the paint. Especially at the edge, I want to create some color variation. I rinse out my brush and dry it on my paper towel, and then I blend in the paint a bit. Then I take some sap green light right out of the pen. I bring it in at the border and let it bleed into my first layer as long as the color is still wet. And again, I blend the color with a clean damp brush. Then I paint the second half of the avocado with my green-yellow mixture from my dish palette. I dip my brush into the water to rinse out some of the paint. This time I paint the whole shape. I bring in more opaque paint to the edge and blend it in. Then I add sap green light right out of the pen and I also blend it a bit. I use my green and yellow mixture to color in the spot where the seed was. Therefore, I just paint a half moon shape and blend it with a clean damp brush. With some sap green light, I paint around the circle so that it stands out a little from the rest. Then it's time to paint the seed. Therefore, I mix some Indian red with some raw umber deep and add some water to it. Then I start painting. I clean my brush and dry it on my paper towel to lift some of the paint again. It doesn't work as good as I expected on this paper, so I use a paper towel to remove some of the paint. I add some raw umber deep to my mixture and paint it in. Especially at the right side, where I want the seed to be a bit darker. I blend everything with a clean damp brush. Then I add some raw umber deep right out of the pan for more shading. I always follow the shape of the seed to make it look round. To paint the peel of the avocado, I take some sap green deep and mix it with some olive green. I don't completely outline the avocado so that it don't look too harsh. Last but not least, I paint in the notch at the top where the avocado grows on the tree. As the last step, I blend the peel. And that's it! The avocado painting is done. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up to help me with the algorithm. And subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my weekly videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye!